Hi everyone, my name's Ash. We've got Richard from UNOX here with us again today to show us some more in-depth cooking programs, particularly based around cooking pastries. So, Richard, welcome again to Sylvester Keel. Today, can you show us how to cook frozen croissants?
Right, there'll be two ways to do it. If the customer or yourself know the timing, the easiest way to do it is go into the standard set, which is this top icon here. You can highlight the time. So there's two ways, slide across, or you've got plus and minus at the bottom. So if we say 15 minutes, it'll be roughly 170. All you have to do after that is press start, and then the oven will heat up, get to that temperature, and then you can put the products in.
What if I don't know the times that I need to be cooking my croissants?
Right, in the UNOX itself, it's got a lot of built-in recipes, so that's in the Chef UNOX icon, which is in the centre. Highlight the icon, obviously we know we want to bake, and you said it was a frozen.
Absolutely.
So we'll go to frozen pastry, onto frozen croissant. On the bag it'll always tell you the weight, and then outside you've got what colour you want the product to be. So 60 grams, medium colour, press start, and then the oven will heat up. Right, now the oven's up to temperature, it's both audio and visible. So we're going to light flashing, and it's beeping as well to let us know the food is ready to go inside. There's also an arrow on screen pointing inside the oven, so all we need to do, open the door, inside, and close the door. There's no requirement to touch the screen again, it'll automatically go into the cooking process. The product is now finished, so all we need to do, there you go Ash, there's your croissants.
Tell us a little bit more about this oven, Richard. You can take this to the customers so that they can see it for themselves.
Yeah, so it's a mobile unit, so we can take it into any customer, any one of your customers. We call it an individual cooking experience, so it's down to them if they want to use their own products.
Okay guys, so if you've enjoyed what you've seen today and you'd like to see more, or you'd like us to bring the oven to your premises so you can get an even better feel for it, get in touch with the office today and we'll see what we can do.